Hey guys, Kwame once again. Welcome back to Fofoofo TV. Of course, I'm here to give you good information. So this video is for those that like to source from China. Okay, so when people are thinking of meat importation from China, these are the websites they basically know. So they know Alibaba, they know 1688, they know Pinduoduo, and they also know Taobao and the rest. But there are also certain websites that sells like a certain category of products. So let's say if you are looking for hardware and tools, there are also Chinese platform. You can directly go there and source for hardwares and tools. Let's say if you are looking for earrings, like jewelries, okay, so earrings, necklaces, and the rest, there are some certain websites you can straight away go there and source for quality and also cheap jewelries. So in today's video, I'm going to share this sort of website with you guys. Disclaimer: before you contact suppliers on these websites or before you deal with them, please, this video is for education purpose only. Make sure you do your due diligence. Also, most of these websites are going to be in Chinese, so make sure you translate into English. Most of these websites are based in China, so sometimes you need a VPN. Because when you try searching these websites on Google, Google is going to flag it as not safe. Okay, so if you have a VPN too, this might help. I'll jump on the PC, share my screen, and share these sort of companies or these sort of websites with you guys. Okay, guys, so let's get right into it. So first on the list is Tmall.com. So Tmall got a lot of categories, guys, and their prices are also very, very affordable. You'll be able to find awesome products here at like a very affordable price. So you can see like this product is like tissue is going for 5 RMB. Very, very cheap. And guys, before we continue, just know that we have like a community where we support importers or mini importers. So just jump on buysellclub.org/community and become a member today. If you cannot find that supply too, we have a group that you can basically join, and myself and my team will be there to support you. All right. So buysellclub.org/community, become a member today. So again, tmall.com. All right. Best website. You'll be able to find a lot of products. They have a lot of the product categories you'll be able to find here. Eyesight said most of the the websites are going to be in Chinese. So with this one, for instance, all you have to do is just right click and just go translate to English, and it's going to try and translate. Okay, see? So as you can see here, most have been translated into English for you guys. So that's number one, tmall.com. Number two, we have the lightinthebox.com, another beautiful website. This website is already in English. Okay, so navigating this website is very, very easy. Just create an account and start using it. Lightinthebox.com. They also have a lot of products you can patronize. All right. So if you're into fashion or you want home goods, sporting wares, you'll be able to find on this website. So lightinthebox.com is also another powerful website you can buy things from in China. The next on the list is bike manufacturer. So those that are into bikes, including electric bikes and the rest, okay, this is a powerful website to be able to patronize. When you come here, they have all the bikes they sell. Okay, they also sell the accessories. You can come on their price list here. Okay, when you come on the price list here, they have their catalog. Yeah, so for example, if you're looking for just a normal bicycle, they've got their catalog here. They've got their electric bike kit here and also kids bike catalog here. All right, so you click on it. Let me quickly click on it for you guys. So as you guys can see here, their bicycle catalog for 2025, and they've got all their products here and also the prices all here. All right, so if you're looking for like a bicycle supplier too, this is another great website. The next is for those that wants to do those are into tools and hardware. We have the toolschina.com. All right, so toolschina.com too. If you're into hardware, you'll be able to find hardware products here. They have a lot of products here and they specialize in tools and hardware. We have deng.com. So those that are into lighting, okay, deng.com to also have varieties, all right, of lighting here. They have a lot. So if you are into lighting and home decor, you are looking for anything in regards to light, you'll be able to find it here. We have medwant.com. So medwant.com is basically for hospital supplies. Yeah, so those that are into hospital supplies, if you want any products in regards to the hospital, like medical devices and the rest, you'll be able to find on this website. That's what they basically sell, and their prices are also affordable. All right. So you just head to medwant.com and suit yourself. We also have easywholesale.com. So this is for those that are into jewelry. So they've got a bit of like category here. So they've got like sunglasses and men's jewelry, earrings, European and American style accessories, and the rest. Okay, you'll be able to find a lot of these sort of products here at an affordable price. So if you are into jewelry or want to start a jewelry business, yeah, please head to easywholesales.com. Those that are into the candles, okay, so you have the kaifidecandles.com. So kaifidecandles.com. Head here, okay, so if you are looking for anything candle, fragrance, yeah, go to their contact us page, contact them. You also find their WhatsApp and email number here. Contact them and talk to them so they can give you their product catalog and you start working with them. Those that are into bags, we have bagsnet, okay, bagsnet.com. You'll be able to find quality bags, almost all bags that you can think of. You'll be able to find it here. When you look here, they've got all their categories here: women's handbag, luggage bags, sports bag, camera bags, cosmetics bags. They've got a lot. Okay, you'll be able to find here. So if you're looking for a bag to buy and sell in China, you'll be able to find here. We also have icekey.com. So this is for computer accessories. All right. If you are looking for anything electronic accessories and computer accessories, you'll be able to find here. We have Yuhugo. I've made several videos in regards to Yuhugo. Okay. So you also be able to find like jewelry, toys, almost anything you can think of. You'll be able to find on Yuhugo, all right, .com. And last but not the least, we have JD.com. Again, they've got a lot in regards to like appliances, fashion, anything you can think of. So refrigerator, washing machine, computers, anything you can think of, you'll be able to find on JD.com. So guys, it's not all about just Alibaba, 1688, Pindodo, and the rest. These are all websites you'll be able to basically look through their catalog, look through their categories, and if you find anything cheaper, contact them or just create an account, buy, ship it to Ghana or ship it to your home country, and buy and sell. And that's all for today, guys. So if you are looking for, of course, suppliers to work with, or you're looking for a community that can help you get started with your importation journey, please join Buy Sell Club community. I'm going to leave a link in the description section below. Click on it, become a member today, and let's make money together. My name is Kwame. I'll see you guys in my next video. It's a bye for now.